Hi everyone, welcome back to HiruHandmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a Tunisian crochet leaf earring pattern. These earrings are elegant, unique and perfect for adding a handmade touch to your accessory collection. So let's get started. We will start with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your index finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we have our slip knot. And as the foundation, we will chain 3, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we have completed 3 chains. Now we are going to turn the work around and go into the back loops. If you turn the work, you can see there are 3 back loops here. 1, 2 and 3. So we need to pull up loops through all these back loops. So we will go into the first back loop here and pull up a loop. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Again go into the next back loop and pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Again go into the back loop of the very first foundation chain and pull up a loop. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through 2. This is what we have completed so far, and then turn the work again and we are going to the back loops here. 1, 2 and 3. And we will insert the hook into the very first back loop here and pull up a loop. Again go into the next back loop and pull up a loop. Again go into the next back loop and pull up a loop. Then we are going to go into the first chain of the foundation and pull up a loop from there as well. Now we have 5 loops on our hook. Now yarn over and pull through 2 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again we are going to turn the work and go into the back loops here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 back loops are there. So we will start from the very first back loop here and pull up a loop. Again go into the second back loop and pull up a loop. Again go into the third back loop and pull up a loop. Again go into the fourth back loop and pull up a loop. Now we need to go into the very first foundation chain and pull up a loop from there as well. Now we have 6 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Then again we are going to turn the work like this and then go into the 5 back loops here and pull up loops. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then go into the foundation chain here and pull up a loop. Now we have 7 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the pattern we need to repeat. Again turn the work, and then we are going to go into the next 6 back loops and pull the loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now go into the first foundation chain and pull up a loop. Now we have 8 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I'm going to repeat the process 3 more times. So we will turn the work and go into the 7 back loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then go into the first foundation chain and pull up a loop like so, and then yarn over and pull through 2 8 times. Again turn the work and go into the back loops from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then go into the first foundation chain and pull up a loop. Now we have 10 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 9 times. Again, I'm going to repeat the process once more. Turn the work and pull up loops starting from this back loop here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then go into the first foundation chain and pull up a loop. Now we have 11 loops over here. Yarn over and pull through 2 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we will chain 1, leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. This is what we have completed, and then we will use the yarn needle to hide the tails of the project. Now I will show you how to put all these pieces together to complete the earrings. First of all, I'm going to take the 6mm jump ring, open it up and then insert that into the leaf. Then slide the 3mm jump ring into the jump ring here and then close it up using the pliers. Now I'm going to open the 3mm jump ring and slide the hook ear wire into that. Close it up using the pliers. With that we have completed the first earring. Just repeat the process and complete the second earring as well. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and crocheting with me today. I hope you enjoyed making these Tunisian leaf earrings. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tutorials. Happy crocheting and I'll see you in the next video.